Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. Today, I will show you that how you can reduce or increase. Um, that means I means that you increase or decrease your computer's monitor brightness. Sometimes that brightness is very harmful for our eyes. For that reasons, we are take in eye mode or even we take eye mode, but the brightness is so high. For that reasons is very harmful for our eyes. How you can reduce or how you can decrease your computer monitor's brightness, I will show you. So just you go to your monitor. Here is the monitor, and click on your on your mouse and right click. I again I again showing you. Let's go to your desktop and bring mouse in your desktop area and click in your mouse, right click, and then select display settings, and here you can go this display brightness color. Okay, there. This is for the laptop or in desktop. This changes brightness for built-in display. This is not come easily. Here you can increase or here you can decrease like that. Okay, but in laptop, these subjects come whenever you open that display, but in desktop these options is not directly come. The time you have to go this night light scenes, and you can go, and like that you can reduce your computer monitor's brightness and turn on. Just on is turn on night light. Okay, just reduce here. This will be reduced. Okay, this will be reduce your brightness, and the schedule will be on. Okay, by that way you can reduce your computer brightness. This like that. Okay, and turn now on. This will be on. Turn off now. Okay, that's so. That's all. Hope these tips will help you and carry out and carry on your works. Best of luck. Thank you. Goodbye. And thumbs up my channels showing your love. Okay. Thank you.